XC Mini automatic key cutting machine. Three-dimensional minimalism design. Transparent safety protective shield. Patented rotating clamp design suitable for multi-keep lengths and blades. Independent anchor ports for cutter and detection probe. Building intelligent automatic calibration delivers precision. Ultra-strength aluminum alloy die casting with superior texture. Modulated components for easy disassembly and maintenance. GMG CNC processing.
Lockartist, the largest locksmith tool supplier in China. With us, you will find daily work easy and convenient. For more information and inquiries, please visit us at www.lockartist.com or call 00860 296 8888 258.